In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this layering effect. This shows the fire going through the words, fire. This is one of Canva's really good feature and it is a very cool effect and very easy to create. We will now open up a new page. Next, we'll go over to the left and click on text. Let's look for a font. Canva has a lot of fonts to choose from. Some are for the pro users, but we can see a lot that are for free as well. We will choose this one. Click on it and it will be placed on the page. Now, let's change the words to fire. Let's center the text. Next we will click on it and then change the color of the text. Let's choose red. Got to the top to Effects, and click on None. Then we will duplicate it. We will change the duplicated text to Hollow. Then we will place this text on top of the original text. We will next go to the Elements tab and type in Fire. Let's choose See All for the Videos section. Now we will filter it to show us only the free videos. We will choose this one. Click on it and once it's placed on the page, adjust it to be placed in the middle of the text. As you can see, this fire video has a black background and when it is played, it shows up as just a video playing in the background and does not have the effect we want. We need to remove the background for this video. This is only available to the pro users, but there is a way you can remove the background. There are other programs you can use to remove the background. You would have to download this video, and then upload it to one of those free online programs to remove the background. Then you would have to download it fro that program and upload here. It is quite fast to do. For now, we click on the video and then go up to Edit Video. Then we click on Remove Background. Now the background is removed. If you play it, you will see that the flame is still at the back and you cannot see the effect we want. Now we click the video and go up to the position option. When we click that, a section opens up on the left. We have Arrange and Layers. We click on Layers and we move the one that shows the flame to the middle of the two texts. Now when we play it you can see the effect. You can also do it by clicking on Arrange. You can click on the video, then choose to back, and you can see the flame in the background. Click the forward once and you can see that it is now between the two texts. Now to see it in action, let's go up to this and click it. You can now see it clearly. That was a really cool effect. Similarly, we can do that to other effects as well. Let's open up a new page and insert some text again. We will choose this one again. This time we will type in water and make it blue in color. We can choose an effect and remove the background as we did previously. We adjust the layer again. When we play it, we can see the effect. To make it stand out more, let's change the color of the text. Go up to Position and click on the text that says Water. Once you click on it, the text on the page is highlighted. We go up to the colors and we now choose red. We do the same to the next text which is hollow. Now when you play it, you can see the effect clearly. You can see the solid and the hollow texts as the blue color swirls. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe for more content to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.